In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to manage privacy settings in the Uber app so you can control your data, location, and personalization options. Let's get started. First, open the Uber app on your phone. Tap Account in the bottom right corner of the screen. From your account page, select Settings. Scroll down and tap Privacy or Privacy and Data. Here you will see different controls, including location sharing, ads and data, and account security. To change any option, simply click it and toggle the switch on or off based on your preference. For example, you can disable personalized offers, promos, and marketing content, or ads for Uber Eats users. These settings help you control your privacy and improve account security. That's it. Now you know how to manage privacy settings in the Uber app. If this video helped, like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.